Anxiety is a quiet voice that never shuts up. It don't scream, it whispers, and somehow that's louder. It tells me they're staring, you're failing, you should be further by now. It counts my mistakes like trophies and hands them back to me every time I try to sleep. I smile in public because sadness is more acceptable when it's quiet. But inside my chest is a fire alarm with no fire, just panic. Pulling the cord over and over and over again. I overthink conversations that ended years ago. We pray moments that nobody else remembers, like their courtroom evidence proving I'm guilty of not being enough. Some days I feel like I'm drowning in a room full of air, like everyone else got a manual on how to live, and mine just says, figure it out. I'm tired of being strong for people who don't notice how heavy this strength is. Tired of hearing it, you'll be okay, when okay feels like a place I don't have directions to. But listen, I'm still here. Even when my hands shake, even when my thoughts betray me, even when my heart races like it's running from something I can't see. So if you're fighting the same invisible war, if your mind feels like a prison you built by accident, just know you're not broken, you're human, and surviving counts. Even on the days you don't feel brave, anxiety doesn't define me. It challenges me and I'm still standing. Even when standing is the hardest thing I do all day.